how to make a rain barrel for less than $35. Grab a trash can, a spigot, a Dollar Tree strainer, and some duct tape. Pick a drill bit the same size as the smallest part of your spigot and drill a hole a little bit above the bottom. Screw the front part of the spigot on the front and the back part of the spigot on the inside. Fill it with water just enough to test for leaks. Cut a hole the size of the water spout that you have. Cut the mesh out of the strainer. Duct tape it on really well and flip the lid over. Place your barrel on a level surface that's above the ground and choose where to put your overflow hole. Give it one final test to make sure everything works, and that's